G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, welcome to another Rip Roaring episode. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to save you guys and gals out there a heap of money and a heap of back work. Really quick and easy thing that we can make, tool that we can make on site or in the factory or in your shed or wherever is called a dolly trolley. Now, dolly trolley, 100 different ways to make them. This is super easy, super quick. Cost me maximum of 12 bucks. And I got those because they all swivel and they take a bit of pressure, downward pressure. This was just a bit of an offcut and I'll show you that in my video up ahead. All I did was just cut it to size. You can use a table saw, you can use a circular saw, but whatever you do use, make sure that you take utmost care in doing it properly and you keep all your digits. So, dolly trolley, we use these all the time on site, especially if we're moving furniture around or if we're moving big objects like cabinetry from one room to another and we're in some tight spaces around a house. Then we put a dolly trolley on the ground, stick our cabinetry on it, and we can move it everywhere and anywhere. So stay tuned up ahead and I'll show you exactly how we go about making one of these. To make one of these is find your measurement around the outside edge. You can even stick an extra 2 if you've got extra weight, an extra 2 wheels in the center there. They can always take up a little bit more weight that way. Once you've marked around your externals, then you stick the wheels in the corners. For the first 2 screws, when I put these wheels on, I'll always aim for the center of my slot. That way I can adjust those wheels if I need to. Then the second 2 screws on each one, I'll put right hard up in the corner on both of those. And what that'll do is it'll help me make sure that that wheel bracket is tied right in hard and that those screws won't come out. Another thing to make sure is that you check the depth of your screw isn't too long and you don't try and screw your plyboard or whatever you're going to use against your bench, your workbench. You can use a number of any products for your top, or you can use particle board sheet flooring. Structural ply is always my favorite because, as the name describes, it's structural ply, quick, easy, super fast, and super strong. Thanks for watching all of that. If you've got any questions or queries about making up your own dolly trolley, please flick over your questions as quickly as you can, and I'll try and answer them for you as best I can whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the suit.